Peppa Pig and the Earth Day Adventure. It's Earth Day, and Peppa and her family are ready to celebrate with a visit to botanical gardens. Before they go, Peppa and George sort the recycling. Newspapers go in the red bin, cans go in the blue bin, and bottles go in the green bin. Vegetables, scraps, and eggshells go in the compost bin, says Peppa. Grandpa Pig will use the compost in the garden. You, says George. It's time to go, and Daddy Pig has a surprise an electric car. The car runs on batteries instead of gas. That helps the air stay clean. The car even has a name. It's called Roger. This car can drive itself, says Daddy Pig. Peppa and George look out the window on the way to Botanical Gardens. Look, says Peppa, a windmill. Ooh, says George. Mr. Bull builds a windmill near my school, says Peppa. The wind turns the blades and they make electricity. Whoosh, says George. At the Botanical Gardens, Peppa and her family meet Miss Rabbit. Welcome, she says. Would you like to see Wildflower Garden? Yes, please, says Peppa. Look at all the bees, says Mommy Pig. The bees and flowers help each other. Miss Rabbit tells them. The bees take pollen from one flower and move it to another one. That helps the flower make seeds which grow into new flowers. The bees take some of the nectar back to the hive and use it to make honey. Miss Rabbit says, Peppa likes honey. George likes honey too. Peppa and her family visits the room with cacti and palm trees. Peppa sees a new plant. What is that? She asks. That's a Venus flytrap, Miss Rabbit says. It eats flies. Peppa and George watch while the plant eats a fly. Wow, says Peppa. Chomp, says George. The next room is very wet. This is the rainforest garden, says Miss Rabbit. These plants need a lot of water. Miss Rabbit flips a switch and turns on the rain. Next, they head outside to the children's garden, where they find something really special a muddy puddle. Peppa's friends are visiting the botanical garden too. Hello, Susie Sheep. Hello, Pedro Pony. Hello, Mandy Mouse, she says. On the way home, Daddy has a rest while Roger drives the car. It's like magic, says Peppa. Police officers, Panda, and Squirrel stop Daddy Pig's car because Daddy Pig doesn't have his hands on the wheel. But it's okay, Roger is driving. Roger shows his driving license to the officers. It is dark when the family returns home. It has been a great Earth Day. Will you be all right out here, Roger? Asks Peppa. Oh, yes, says Roger. Good night, Peppa. Good night, Roger, says Peppa. Happy Earth's Day.
Peppa Pig, the boat pond. Peppa and George board their toy boat to race on the pond. George's boat has to be wound up. Click, click, whirr. My boat doesn't wind up, says Peppa, looking for the winder on her boat. Your boat doesn't need winding up, Peppa, says Mommy Pig. It just needs a little help, says Daddy Pig, blowing Peppa's boat along. Here is Peppa's friend Susie Sheep. Hello, everyone, she cries. I've got my speedboat. It has batteries to make it go. Rebecca Rabbit arrives with her mommy. I wish I had a boat, she says. I've got an idea, says Daddy Pig, picking up his newspaper. When I was a little piggy, I used to fold newspapers to make paper boats, says Daddy Pig, handing a boat to Rebecca. Squeak! Thank you, Mr. Pig, says Rebecca, placing her paper boat on the pond. Now George wants a paper boat too. Daddy Pig makes paper boat for everyone. Let's race, says Mommy Pig. Ready, steady, blow. The boat speed across the pond. We have a winner, says Daddy Pig. That's George's boat, says Peppa. George is the winner. Hooray! Everybody cheers. I like boats the best, cries Peppa. Me too, cry all the children. It's time to go home. Everybody has a great day. Bye bye, ducks, says Peppa. The duck enjoyed the toy boats, but they like having their ponds back too. Quack quack.